Imagine a banana, but not just any banana. Imagine it at the scale of nanotechnology, tiny, precise, and infused with artificial intelligence. That's exactly the spirit behind AI Nano Banana, a quirky name for a powerful new image generator. It's playful, yes, but what it does is very real. It gives people an easy, precise, and fun way to create images with AI. Now, why even build something like this? Well, in today's world, images are everywhere. Social media posts, ads, classrooms, games, everything depends on visuals. But there's a problem: stock photos feel generic, hiring a designer or photographer is expensive, and even though AI image tools exist, a lot of them are either too complicated, too slow, or they don't give you much control. We wanted to fix that. We asked, what if creating the perfect image could feel as easy as peeling a banana? So why the name AI Nano Banana? Let me break it down. The AI part is because it's powered by artificial intelligence. The nano part is about detail. We designed it so you can control images at a fine-grained, almost microscopic level. Adjust lighting, texture, mood, all the little details. And then there's the banana. That's our way of keeping things fun. Creativity thrives when you don't take yourself too seriously. And let's be honest, who wouldn't smile hearing about an AI tool named after a banana? Here's how it works. You give it a prompt. That might be simple: a futuristic city at sunset, or totally bizarre: a banana-shaped submarine exploring the Mariana Trench. The AI doesn't just throw out a random picture, it interprets your idea carefully. Then, using what we call nano controls, you can fine-tune it, make it brighter, darker, more realistic, more cartoonish. In just seconds, you get multiple options. Pick one, refine it, or spin off variations. The magic here is speed plus precision, fast enough to be fun, but flexible enough to feel professional. Say I type a 19th century oil painting of a banana-shaped airship flying over Paris. Within seconds, the generator gives me images that look like they belong in a museum. If I want more drama in the sky, I tweak the nano settings. If I want the airship shinier, I adjust the texture. It's like collaborating with an endlessly patient artist who's always ready to try again until it matches what's in your imagination. So, who actually uses this? Pretty much anyone who needs visuals, marketers who want custom images instead of boring stock photos, teachers who want engaging illustrations for lessons, designers who need concept art quickly, even content creators on TikTok or YouTube who want something unique for their audience. One of our early testers was a startup team. They replaced about 80% of their stock images with AI Nano Banana creations. That saved them money, but more importantly, it gave their brand a fresh, original look. Now, I know some of you are probably wondering, what about the risks? We've thought about that. Our system has safeguards to prevent harmful or unsafe images. We respect artists' rights, so creators can opt out if their work was used in training, and we make sure users stay in control of their own content. AI should never replace human creativity, it should empower it. And this is just the beginning. We're working on expanding into 3D, so you could generate models for VR and AR. We're adding collaboration tools so teams can co-create in real time, and we're developing a mobile app so you can make stunning images from your phone, maybe even while eating a banana on the go. What makes it special? Fine-grained control. Unlike typical AI systems that generate broad strokes, a picture, a design, a model, AI nanotech works at microscopic levels of detail. Think of it as being able to zoom into the pixel level or molecular level and still refine the outcome. Precision plus creativity. It allows users to set parameters with high accuracy: color, texture, structure, lighting, even invisible nano-level adjustments, while still leaving room for AI's generative creativity. Scalability. Nano-level systems can be scaled up to massive datasets, or down to hyper-specific problems, giving flexibility across industries. Playful plus practical. In the case of Nano Banana, the uniqueness lies in how it blends serious technology with a fun, approachable interface, lowering the barrier for businesses and creatives alike. Why should businesses use nanotechnology? Cost efficiency eliminates reliance on generic stock images or costly designers for basic visual, reduces repetitive manual tasks, for example, resizing, editing, or background cleanup, saves time. What used to take days can now be done in minutes. Brand differentiation. Businesses can generate unique visuals that align with their brand identity, instead of recycling what competitors are already using. Nano-level adjustments ensure that the content matches brand guidelines, colors, styles, tone. However, it is important to consider quality variability. AI may still produce inconsistent or strange results. Human oversight is often required. Ethical concerns risks of generating biased, harmful, or misused content if safeguards aren't strong. Originality questions. Images may raise intellectual property concerns if not carefully managed. Dependence on tech. Businesses relying too heavily on AI may weaken in-house creative skills. Training costs. Teams still need to learn how to use it effectively. Not all employees will adapt quickly. Computational demand. High-quality nano-level generation requires strong hardware or cloud resources, which could be costly at scale. Speed generates high-quality images or designs in seconds. Customization. Nano-level controls allow extreme precision, great for brand alignment. Cost-effective cuts costs compared to traditional design, stock image licensing, or manual production. Scalable works for individuals' small needs and large corporations' mass campaigns. Innovation driver sparks creativity, enables experimentation with bold ideas. Accessibility. Non-experts can create professional quality visuals. In closing, what makes AI Nano Banana valuable isn't just the technology, but the way it balances precision with creativity. It gives users control at a very detailed level while still making the process simple and accessible. So the takeaway is straightforward. AI Nano Banana is about making image generation easier, more precise, and more useful. It's one small step toward a future where technology helps us spend less time stuck on the basics and more time focusing on ideas.